we have something very exclusive for you today. We have this property right in the heart of Malaga. So it's 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and what is wonderful, a private parking. So you'll be located just a couple of minutes from the city center, Calle Larios and all this peatonal area. You'll be about 15-20 minutes to La Malagueta, the main beach of Malaga, and a little bit further from Baños del Carmen or Piedra. I'm sure you heard a lot of Malaga these days because it's been in all international press as one of the most growing cities of south of Spain and even Spain. You will have a wonderful cultural offer with modern and traditional museum. You'll have a lot of gastronomic offers as well, a lot of restaurants from all over the world, a lot of bars and so on. This is a perfect town to really enjoy and sample what is Andalusia, whereas you're in a family or you want with friends to enjoy a little bit the coast style and the Spanish food, that's perfect apartment for you. So come, follow us. What are you waiting to come here and discover all the charms and wonders that this lovely city of Malaga has to offer? Call us, reach us. I'm sure we will find a little spot for you. Whereas it's for the winter season or the summer season, this is the perfect place to really enjoy and discover what is Andalusia. See you soon!